I woke up this morning at 6 o'clock because I had an appointment with my dermatologist at 8:45, and I was really nervous to see him because this was like my first time seeing this dermatologist, and supposedly he's really good and it's really hard to get in with him. So I don't know, I was like hoping that I had all the right questions asked. I came back, everything is good. The only downside is like 2 of my creams that he prescribed aren't covered by my insurance, so I'm like, and it's like $700. But he looked at my skin. Luckily it's not too bad, but it's been worse. I'll see if I can insert some photos here and here. I also have a new rash on my back, which you can't, okay, you can't see it. Okay, let's see. I don't think it's showing up. Anyways, there's a rash on my back, and that one was new. But the thing is, like with my rashes, he says they're not big enough to biopsy, and he doesn't want to leave me a scar, which I really appreciate. So it's kind of guessing, or we're going on guesses here, but he looked pretty knowledgeable, so I trust his guess. He says this is rosacea, this is perioral dermatitis, and then the back is my lupus flare. So I'm a little tired. I woke up early, but yeah, I'm excited and hopeful that everything will help clear it up and I'll get to be back on my clear skin era. What am I saying? But he prescribed me Epsolay and ivermectin, which those 2 I'm trying to get covered by my insurance. They're luckily helping me out. If not, I will go like on GoodRx or something and get the coupon for it. And then he also gave me Doxy something. That one I have to take like orally. And then for my back, he gave me triamcinolone. I can't read, but yeah, we'll see how those work. That's my update. What am I gonna do today? We'll see what I get up to. I'm like in the process of cleaning out my clothes, my husband's clothes, because we have a lot of stuff and we just need to clean out a bunch of our stuff. But I'll see you soon. No, look, over here, look, right here, right here. Sit. Oh my goodness. She doesn't want to sit.
Honey, come. You're a good girl. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Okay, that's fine. She's a cute girl. I got a package. Sure, my address. Let's see. I ordered it online through Amazon because I heard the returns are a little better. So I got the size 4. Fancy. From Finland. This is what it looks like. Do you want to see?
What'd you get?
The ring.
Oh, you did get it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's see if it fits. Uh-oh. It's supposed to be on your first finger. Oh yeah, it fits this one. It does not fit this hand. This is the charging thing, and I have to set it up on my phone, so we'll see how it works. If you ever see me with my hair straight, just know that my mental health needed it. Anyways, my ears are kind of plugged. I think like my sinuses are bothering me, but I also cried in the shower. Don't tell anyone. Who doesn't cry in the shower nowadays, though? I think it's the water that activates things. So it's like, I don't know, 4 o'clock. I kind of don't know what else to vlog for today. I'm a little bit out of ideas. I have my Aura ring on and I'm debating if I should keep it or not. Like, I just feel like it's so expensive and that I should be using my money for something else. But I really do think the benefits are cool. I don't know. Am I being a cheap ass or like realistic? Yeah. But if you've been following along my journey with vlogging, I appreciate you. Yeah, my rosacea's flaring up. I'm looking at it in the mirror. That's so weird. Strange. Okay, well, see you later. Just recorded a long form. It's not even long form because it's 7 minutes, but a sit down talking video. I'm gonna edit that. Just basically explaining what I'm doing with these vlogs, like what's my deal. So I'm wearing Rhode Peptide treatment in clear because I don't want to irritate my skin. Did I tell you guys that my freaking cream was not covered by my insurance and it's $700? I think I did. I just can't wrap my head around it. $700. Wait, say it again.
I like more of
But just say it normal. Okay, I won't face it towards you because you had a good point.
Where do you want me to start, I guess, is where
That you like artists. The one you were saying you like people that make playlists and stuff like that.
Yeah, like, so instead of listening to music critics, I like listening to like people that are more like the discovery people, like music people that discover music. Like, I really enjoy it when you go off and like you find people that make playlists, or like you go listen to like bands
rather than people that just like talk their shit.
Right, and not so much talk their shit, but they're just like the top 100 albums of this year you have to listen to, and it's like you will find good stuff, but then a lot of stuff that's just like, come on, this is so pretentious. Like, really, this is like the best stuff of the year. But if you go and follow like people that you think are cool and you find like their recommendations, their playlists, like that's the real way to discover music, I think, nowadays.
Exactly.
Music discovery.
I think it's National Coffee Day today. I straightened my hair yesterday and I used like a bunch of heat protectants and lock-in moisture. No. But update on the Aura ring. I have to return it because it what the fuck? It ended up my fingers swelled too much, so I'm getting a bigger size. That doesn't come till tomorrow though, so I'm a little bit sad. Also, I'm trying a new sunscreen, but it's like tinted, so it's a mineral. Oh my god, I'm like bald because it's like a mineral sunscreen. I feel weird. Feels like I'm wearing makeup, and then like it got in my eyebrows, so my eyebrows look weird. But my medication comes today for my I don't know what it's for. I have to double check, but it's like an oral medication. I still haven't heard back from my insurance, but it is the weekend, so here's an update. It's not flared today, so I'm kind of glad, thankfully. But I'm gonna feed my dogs. Can't convince me hair theory isn't true. Like, you feel so much better when your hair is done. But it's just like, I don't want to kill my hair all the time with heat. So I try to style it as best as I can without heat. But sometimes you do need a little bit of heat just to make yourself feel better. Does my foundation, not my foundation, can't speak. Does my sunscreen look weird? I don't think so. Oh my god, dude. I have a lump right here. And it's scary. Like, I'm gonna go to the doctor, but I'm like, oh, good. That's real good. I'm glad. Here's a time lapse of me doing dishes, and then my brother decided to make some toast, and then his toast started to burn, and it was pretty funny, but there's no audio, so here's my voiceover. Okay, we're at HomeGoods. This is the candle that we're gonna get. Cinnamon and ginger. It smells really good. Oh my gosh. Please don't fall. This one's cute. That smells good.
Still this one.
My favorite pizza cheese. My skin did not like the color eScience sunscreen, so I will be returning that. Yeah, so I have ointment again lathered on until my new creams come. I'm so frustrated. At this point, like, I have no more, like that Ariana Grande song. I ain't got no tears left to cry. That's literally how I feel. I don't have any more tears left to cry. I'm like, okay, cool. This is fine. It's not that bad. Even though it's like significantly the worst it's ever been. Anyways. Forgot to vlog, but we made the pizzas so you could see them inside. Let me see. Look at me, guys. It's blurry. Why is it blurry? There we go. Today's coffee is French press, and I made a little cold foam with half and half and a little bit of almond milk. Really good. I also put cinnamon and honey in there. I love cinnamon and honey. Skin update right now. I think it looks good. I might have a solution for you if you suffer with perioral dermatitis / rosacea, because I have both. I think I might. I don't want to speak too soon, so I won't say anything. But last night you saw was pretty bad. So I might have a solution for you. I hope it works. But the Color eScience sunscreen tinted moisturizer BS did not work for me. My dermatologist recommended it to me, and I saw like one of my favorite creators on TikTok uses it. Hell to the no. But today I'm using the Ulta no tint mineral sunscreen, which I totally understand, because he said like mineral sunscreens protect more from the sun, and I need more sun protection, because I was just using Dermatologist's chemical sunscreen. Sorry, I'm still waking up. But yeah, hopefully it works. I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna have the same breakfast I always have, so nothing new. I'll see you later. My sheets smell low-key, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm gonna wash my sheets today. It's Sunday and I'm still in my pajamas too. Don't judge me. Oh, and I got my Aura ring size to change. So I'm in a size 5 now because my fucking fingers swelled, swollen, whatever. So, size 5 fits so much better than a size 4. Here's my ring stack. Okay, bye. still can't get used to it. This is new. Bed. Sorry, I'm trying to do two things at once. Bedding. I like washing in hot. I know it's bad, but I feel like it gets it nice and clean. Start. Perfect. I'm literally crying about the Strokes performance what? Okay, I'm literally crying. You could see the tears in my eyes, and that's not just because my allergies. No, but they performed so well yesterday. I could make a whole video about it, should I? I think I might make a sit-down video about it because I could chat for hours about. Sorry, I'm still getting used to the vlogging thing. I was supposed to show you what I made, and what is this? But it's like a little protein chocolate banana snacky. It's good. My least favorite part. Oh, my hair is disgusting. I don't know why my scalp gets so oily sometimes. No, I know exactly why, because I put too much product in my roots sometimes. Shh. If you had to guess which side was my side of the bed, which one do you think it is? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. So awkward. Doing my lash lift, the angle is so bad, but I'm watching Gilmore Girls, and can you see me? Yeah, this is what I look like. I'm almost done. Yes, I do my own lash lifts. It is made. I don't think I finished my video. Oopsie. Oh, sorry, flashed you. But here with Penny, because she's scared of fireworks. Flash off to not scare her. Oh, my baby. They're doing fireworks in October. What are you gonna do? So I'm here guarding her. I'm in bed now, and I'm wearing my glasses. My hair is in a braid. I'm officially ready for bed. Good night. I will see you when I see you. Yeah, that's it. Should I end it now? 18, 19. Okay, bye.